Hello. So, fully funded scholarships in Brunei have been announced, and there is no application fee to apply for these scholarships. These are offered for masters as well as PhD programs. So, to apply for this scholarship, we will just go to Google and type here scholarshipsguides.com. After opening this website, we can see in the right side that University of Brunei fully funded scholarships 2024. So I will just click over here. I will scroll down. Here you can find complete details about this University of Brunei. You will scroll down and here you will see eligibility criteria. So if you are applying for master's degree, then you should have at least bachelor's degree, and to apply for PhD program, master's degree is compulsory. So here is scholarship benefits that are given after you secure this scholarship, and here is a list of required documents that are needed to apply for this scholarship. You can go through all of these one by one, and here are programs offered by this university. Okay, so to apply, I will just click here to apply online button. It will take me to official website to apply for this scholarship. So here we can see graduate programs that are open from 12th of June to 31st of July. So I will just click over here, graduate degree. So here we can see a complete detail of how to apply. An important note, we can see here is a list of documents that are needed to apply for this scholarship, and other steps are mentioned. Okay, to fill this application form, we will just click on first choice. You have to select your program from the list given below, whichever it is. Okay, you can apply in two programs. You have to select your first choice and your second choice. If you have previously applied to study at UBT, please indicate the most recent year you applied. So if you have already applied previously, you will select the year, otherwise you have to leave it. Then you have to click on part-time or full-time. If you want to apply for full-time, then you will click on no button, otherwise yes. Here you need to fill your personal details. In title, you will select Mr. or Mrs., whichever it is suitable for you. Okay, then you have to type your full name as in your passport. Then you have to select your nationality, and then if you are citizen, then you will click on citizen button. Here you have to also upload a JPEG image. You just have to select the file and click on upload button, and your picture will be uploaded. Okay, so you have to leave this. Then you have to select your race, whichever it is, Indian or whichever it is suitable for you. Then you have to select your religion, your gender, marital status, date of birth, country of origin, country of birth, country of resident. You have to type here your passport number, its place of issue, date of issue, country of issue, and its expiry date. After filling all your personal details, you have to fill your contact details. First you will fill your permanent address with all the postcode and country. Then you have to fill your mailing address if it is different from your permanent address. Then you have to give your phone number and email also. Okay, emergency contact information is also to be provided. You have to give name of your emergency contact and its relationship and its address. Also you have to fill its contact details. Okay, so here you have to give information of your kin. You will select your relationship. If it is father or whatever it is, then his name, address, identity card number, phone number, and other contact details. Okay, here if you have any research publications, and you can just click on add button and add those one by one. First you will write year in which it is published. For example, it is published in 2022. Then title of your publication. Okay, then publication details, volume, edition, page, whatever it is. Okay, you can add one by one if you have more than one by just clicking on add button. Okay, proposed field of study. This section is required for candidates applying for the master by research and PhD. So you have to write a research proposal. For master students it should be of minimum 1000 words, and for PhD students it should be minimum of 1500 words. Okay, you have to write according to your research area and then upload it. So if you have selected two choices from here, so you will write separate research proposals for both the choices. For example, first one is PhD in chemistry, you will write its research proposal, and for second choice you will also have to write a separate research proposal and upload over here. Okay, first choice and second choice, you will just have to click on choose file button and select the proposal file and upload it over here. Here you have to enter your employment details. If you are currently employed, you will click on yes and give your employment details, otherwise click on no. So if you have previous work experience, then you can just click on add button, give your company name, address, post which you were working, mode if it was full-time or part-time, and duration from and to in which you worked. Provide here your funding details. So if you are applying for scholarship, then you have to click yes button and give all the scholarships details, scholarship name, and if you have previously awarded any scholarship, then you will click on yes, otherwise click on no. Okay, so if you are awarded any scholarship previously, then you have also to mention its name. Okay, so this portion is just for PhD applicants. Are you applying for the UBD scholarship? Yes. So only PhD applicants will fill these details. And where you have here about this, you can select friends or website any. Have you been awarded in the past? You can click according to yourself. Candidates are required to submit an original essay of not more than 1000 words describing why you apply for the UBD scholarship, why you deserve to be selected for the UBD scholarship, and what you intended to do to give back to Brunei after you have completed your studies in UBD. So PhD candidates also have to write this essay of around 1000 words describing all these requirements that are mentioned over here. Okay, so here you have to give your educational details, in which you will fill, if you are applying for masters, then you have to fill details from bachelor's, intermediate and high school. So if you are applying for PhD programs, then you will also give details of master programs. Okay, here you will give your English proficiency qualifications. If you have given any test, you can give its details. So if you don't have any test like IELTS or TOEFL, then you will click on others, and here you can write if previous education was in English. Name of qualification, you can just type here English proficiency letter from previous institution, which year you can type year in which you receive that certificate. Okay, so if you have Malay proficiency qualification, then you can fill it over here, otherwise leave it empty. In referees column, in this portion, you have to fill the information of the persons from where you want to get recommendation letters. You have to type his name, institution, organization name, complete address, position, phone number, email, mobile number and fax number if it is available. Okay, after filling all the details, you can move to other section. So if you have any special needs, then you will click on yes button, otherwise click on no button. Okay, then we have to upload files that are required. List can be seen over here. At the top we can see these are the documents that are needed to upload it to submit this application. So to upload these documents, we will just click on add button. Okay, here you can see file types. Here A level or O level, these are intermediate and metric certificates you will upload over here, and English proficiency test and other. And if you want to upload bachelor's degree, then you will click on others, select others, upload file title, for example bachelor's transcript, bachelor's degree, then click on choose file button and upload that file. So up you will upload these files one by one. Then after filling all the complete form, you will click on agree to the terms button and put right here this captcha, and after filling all the details you will just click on submit button and your application will be submitted. So it was the complete procedure to apply for University of Brunei. Thank you.